Can dogs eat eggs? Let's find out. Yes, eggs are safe for dogs. They're a protein-packed treat that offers various nutrients. Eggs are rich in protein, essential fatty acids, and vitamins like A and B12. They can support muscle development, improve skin and coat health, and provide a good source of energy. However, moderation is key, as too many eggs could lead to weight gain or digestive issues. Serve eggs cooked, as raw eggs can pose risks like salmonella. Scramble or boil eggs without any added seasoning or oil, and serve in small, bite-sized portions. Always keep portions moderate to avoid overfeeding. Want to learn more about what dogs can and can't eat? Hit the like button and subscribe for our next Can Dogs Eat video.